Hi everybody, today we are looking at a question that most of my P5 students are doing in school. Alright, so I hope that this video really gives you clarity and also the confidence to solve such a complicated question. Now as you can see over here, it says that a pail, means one, right? One pail can hold 3.4 liters of water. So what are we going to do? We are going to say that one pail 3.4 liters. Okay, so it means that this pail can carry 3.4 liters of water. Okay, let me just write my 3 properly. Okay, now then we read sentence number 2. We can see that Hazel, she decided to fill 2/9 of a tub, not a pail but a tub. Okay, so there's another item, right? Over here is a pail. All right, they say 2/9, so I'm just going to draw 9 units. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and we are going to shade 2 units. We are going to shade 2 units, and we will say that whatever that is over here is basically for 4 such pails of water. That means to say I have a tub, okay, and I used 4 such pail of water. I will carry 4 pails and I will pour them into this tub. So let's say if I have a tub over here, okay, what I did was I split the tub into 2 parts and I poured water in. When I poured water in, I realized that I needed a total of 4 pails in order to fill just 2/9 of the tub. I needed 4 pails. And we learned that 1 pail is actually 3.4. So in order for us to find 4 pails, okay, we will just have to do 3.4 times 4. And we can see that 13.6 liters of water is poured into this tub. And when I pour that 13.6 liters of water, I can only fill 2/9 of the tub. Okay, so this is for the tub. Now, after that, her friend, Rena, decided to pour in another 4 such pails. Okay, so another 4 such pails. And you know that 4 pails basically will take up 2 units, right? So we are going to take another 2 units. And once again, it is 13.6 liters. Okay, so this is 13.6 liters. And 2 similar tanks, we can see that 2 similar tanks is basically for everything else. So we will say that this is 2 tanks. Okay, now as you can see over here, my first part has to be 4 pails, 4p, and this is also 4p. So from here itself, right, you can actually find out what is the amount. We can actually find out what is the amount. Why is that so? Because I can see that 2 units is actually equals to 13.6 liters, and we want to find 1 unit, and 1 unit is simply just 13.6 divided by 2. We get to 6.8 liters, and now we can find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units in total. So 5 units is basically 6.8 times 5, and we get to an answer of 34 liters. Alright, so whatever that is over here is basically 34 liters. Alright, and the questions say how much water can a tank hold? They want us to find a tank. A tank means 1 tank, right? And we can see that 2 tanks can hold 34 liters. If you're wondering where did I get that, I got that from here, right? So if we say that 2 tanks can hold 34 liters, we're just going to write 2 tanks is for 34 liters. And we want to find 1 tank, right? So 1 tank is basically 34 divided by 2, and we get to an answer of 17 liters. So what we are trying to say is that a tank can hold 17 liters of water.
If you like this video, you can click right here for a similar video, or you can view our playlist here.